Welcome to this video that introduces you to digital advertising. After watching this video, you will be able to describe digital advertising and explain its different types. You will also be able to discuss the importance of digital advertising today and distinguish between traditional and digital advertising. Sweet surprise, a small, newly opened bakery is struggling with low footfall. It decides to launch a social media digital ad campaign. The bakery begins to attract neighborhood customers using location and interest-based targeting. Using digital advertising, its visibility increases within the first month, word begins to spread, and in-store visits soar every week. What is digital advertising? Digital advertising refers to promoting products, services, or brands via online channels like search engines, social media platforms, websites, and mobile apps. It allows businesses to display ads in various formats to engage users across different digital touchpoints. Some of the most common types of digital advertising include search ads or paid advertisements on search engine results pages, such as Google Ads. These ads target users searching for specific keywords related to a business's products or services. Display ads or banner ads on websites and mobile apps designed to build brand awareness. Social media ads like sponsored content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, targeting users based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Video ads such as promotional content shown on platforms like YouTube and other streaming services to engage users visually. Native ads that integrate smoothly into the content of a website or app, such as sponsored articles or in-feed ads. And shopping ads or product listings that appear in search results used by e-commerce businesses to drive online sales. These ad formats allow businesses to tailor their marketing strategies to specific audiences, ensuring maximum reach and engagement. Why is digital advertising essential today? Digital advertising allows businesses to sharpen audience targeting based on demographics like age, gender, location, and income level, interests and behaviors like online browsing habits, previous purchases, and engagement with similar content, and retargeting audiences so businesses can reach users who previously visited their website but didn't complete a purchase. For example, a sportswear brand wants to promote running shoes. Instead of displaying a general ad to everyone watching television, it can target users interested in physical fitness. Digital advertising offers various pricing models based on the advertiser's objective brand awareness, inquiry, reach, or sales. Some examples of pricing models are cost per click or CPC, where advertisers pay only when users click on their ads. Cost per impression or CPM, wherein advertisers pay based on how many times their ad is displayed, and cost per acquisition or CPA, wherein advertisers pay only when a user performs a required action, such as signing up or making a purchase. Digital ads allow businesses to start small and scale based on performance. One of digital advertising's most significant advantages is its measurability. Marketers can track impressions, or how many people saw the ad, click-through rate, or CTR, which refers to how many users clicked on the ad, conversion rate, or the percentage of users who took the action, such as making a purchase, and return on ad spend, or ROAS, defined as the revenue generated from money spent on advertising. With real-time analytics, businesses can adjust campaigns on the go, pausing underperforming ads and increasing budget allocation for high-performing ones. Digital advertising enables two-way communication between businesses and their audience. Users can click on an ad, watch a video, comment, share, or even make a purchase instantly. Consumers today spend significant time on multiple digital platforms. Digital advertising allows businesses to meet their audience wherever they are, whether browsing on a mobile device or watching content on a desktop. So, how does digital advertising differ from traditional advertising? While traditional advertising, such as TV, radio, and print, still plays a role in marketing, digital advertising offers greater efficiency, better targeting, and more measurable results. Traditional advertising uses broad targeting, reaching all viewers of a program or readers of a publication. In contrast, Digital advertising allows for precise targeting based on demographics, user behavior, and interests. Traditional advertising can be expensive and requires a significant investment, while digital advertising offers flexible pricing models like PPC or CPM, allowing businesses to scale their budgets as needed. The impact of traditional advertising is challenging to measure, whereas digital advertising provides real-time analytics, enabling advertisers to assess campaign success instantly. Engagement also varies significantly. Traditional advertising is a one-way communication channel, while digital advertising encourages interaction through clicks, comments, and shares. Additionally, traditional advertising's reach is usually confined to regional or national audiences, whereas digital advertising has a global reach across multiple online platforms. Finally, once a traditional ad is published, it cannot be changed, whereas digital ads can be continuously optimized and adjusted in real time to improve performance. In this video, you learned that digital advertising refers to promoting products, services, or brands through various online channels. Some of the most common types of digital advertising include search ads, display ads, social media ads, video ads, native ads, and shopping ads. Digital advertising is essential today because of its key features such as sharp audience targeting, cost-effective and scalable advertising, real-time performance tracking and optimization, higher engagement and interaction, and multi-platform reach. Finally, you learned that digital advertising differs from traditional advertising in terms of cost, measurement, engagement, reach, and optimization, making it the preferred choice for modern businesses.